I'd like to do a quick review of the concept of FOIL. F-O-I-L. All right, FOIL is an acronym. To help remember the steps when simplifying a binomial times a binomial. All right, the F in FOIL stands for first terms. The O stands for outside or outer terms. The I stands for inside or inner terms. And the L stands for last terms. Okay, but before we do an example of FOIL, I just want to quickly review the following. What if I had 7 times the quantity 3x minus 1, and the instructions were to simplify? I think everybody knows that in order to simplify this expression, you would simply distribute the 7 over that difference. So I would distribute the 7 to everything inside parentheses. The 7 here is a monomial, and 3x minus 1 is a binomial. So in order to simplify a monomial, 1 term, times a binomial, 2 terms separated by addition or subtraction, we distribute. And we get 7 times 3x minus 7 times 1, or 21x minus 7. Okay, so now let's take a look at the idea of FOIL. What if instead of a monomial times a monomial, I had the following: x plus 2 times 3x minus 4. And my instructions again were to simplify. Here we have a binomial, 2 terms, times a binomial, 2 terms. All right, so again, I need to distribute in order to simplify. And in order to distribute, I have this little acronym that helps me remember exactly how many terms and how I should distribute. All right, so we're going to go ahead and distribute according to FOIL. I have x plus 2 times 3x minus 4. The F stands for first terms, so I'm going to go ahead and distribute the x to the 3x first terms. The O stands for outside or outer terms. I am going to distribute the x to the negative 4 here. The I stands for inside or inner terms here. So I'm going to multiply 2 times the quantity 3x, that's fine. And then finally my last terms, 2 times negative 4. All right, so I'm going to distribute my first terms, and I will get x times 3x, or 3x squared. My outer terms are going to be x. These are the outer or outside terms, x times negative 4, so that's minus 4x. These two, if these are the outside terms, these are the inside terms, I'm going to multiply then 2 times 3x, 6x, and then finally my last terms, 2 times negative 4, minus 8. Now, most times when I FOIL, my outer and my inner terms are going to be like terms. I'm now going to combine those terms. 3x squared, negative 4x plus 6x is going to be plus 2x minus 8. All right, so I have simplified my binomial times my binomial into the expression 3x squared plus 2x minus 8. Let's look at one more example. Okay. We'll do 2x minus 6 times 5x plus 3. Okay. First, 2x times 5x, 10x squared. Outer, 2x times 3 plus 6x. Inner, negative 6 times 5x minus 30x. Last, negative 6 times 3, negative 18. Combine like terms, 10x squared minus 24x minus 18. FOIL.